Today is April 12. Mga potot pa oh. Look at this. 2 days from now. Kaya blooming. Everything is blooming. Maybe today is Sunday. So maybe 2 more days or tomorrow. Oh, look at this. Potot pa. Daghang pa potot oh. There's a lot. So, yeah, taga-Alaska. You have to come maybe about middle of April. Or April 10 and 15, between 10 and 15. Kasi mga potot pa oh. Ang uban, bukhad ng uban mo pa pagbukhad. So, look at this. It's a lot. All the way. This is in Ballard. Ballard area. Oh, yung iba bukhad na pero marami pang potot. There's a lot small over there also. It's in Ballard area.